Hello everyone, it's me Indramani Gewali, your math teacher. Welcome you all after a long gap in this live class on Janata television for distance education. So in the beginning of the class today, let me just summarize the different topics that we have learned up to the last class. So we started from the first chapter of grade 9 math sets, and where we learned about what is set, different set operations, types of set, and word problems based on two sets. Then we discussed the chapter algebra. We started the chapter algebra, and in algebra we tried to learn about different factorization, different types of factorization. So this is the topic I am going to connect today. In factorization, we have learned about basic factorizations containing like 4 terms, in some questions 5 terms, which are on the based on a square minus b square form or some other types. So today let me connect with same topic, factorization, and here today's first objective is, after completing this class, after taking this class, we will be able to factorize an algebraic expression having 5 terms. Okay, so let me take a question, first question for today's topic, factorization, for today's class. Let's write a question. A square plus 6a plus 5 minus 4b minus b square. Okay, so this algebraic expression has 5 terms, and 4 different terms are letter containing terms or variable containing terms, and one is constant. So 5 is constant term. In such case, though there are different ways in algebra, in factorization, or in other topics, there is no a hard and fast rule in algebra, factorization or simplification. We can use different ways for the factorization of any algebraic expression. So I am using one method called completing square method, and we will factorize this at the end by converting into a square minus b square form. Okay, let's start this. Let's write the solution of this factorization. It has 5 terms. For this type of factorization, first of all, let's insert these 2 terms in a bracket. Why I am doing this? I am inserting 2 terms, a square plus 6a, in a bracket. I am trying to convert this into a perfect square, into a plus b whole square form. What is the expanded form of this? Its expanded form is a square plus 2 times ab plus b square. I am converting this into a square plus 2ab plus b square form for its factorization. Now we can say in the first term, let's just tally this first 2 terms with this expanded form. There are 3 terms in a plus b whole square. Why I am using a plus b whole square? Its reason is, just look at the bracket. What is the sign of second term? 6a is positive. So we are using this expanded form, a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So I will go slowly with this question. Look at this. What is the first term of this perfect square? A square. We have this first term a square, so we can write same a square plus the second term twice ab. Second term is 2 times of ab. So 2 is in formula. Let me write same 2 times. What is a? A is the first term of this perfect square. So what is first term here? A itself, 2a dot. Now we require b. What is the next? Okay, later here 2ab. So we have already got twice of A, 2A. Now what is B? To obtain B, simply look at this second term in the original expression. It's 6A. So out of 6A, we have taken factor 2A. Now what should we multiply with 2A to obtain 6A? Obviously 2 times of 3 is 6. So 2A times 3, because 2 times of 3 is 6, A is same. So 2A, so this is B. A square plus 2AB plus what is the next term in the expanded form? B square plus B square. So what is B? 3. So 3 square. Again, let's see the original expression and just identify which term is extra in the first step in our factorization. A square is in original polynomial, 6A is here, but 3 square is 9. So this is not in original expression. So I'm adding this extra to change this into A square plus 2AB plus B square form. So here 3 square is extra term added to convert into a perfect square. So we need to cancel this term, subtracting the same term, minus 3 square. We can cancel these two terms and get the first two terms of original expression. While doing this, we do not change these three terms. We do not change 5 minus 4b minus b square. So I am writing all these three terms same, plus 5 minus 4b minus b square. Now if we say first three terms starting from here, first to the third term, first three terms, we can easily guess these three terms, we can convert into a plus b whole square form. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So it's in a plus b whole square form. So let's convert into that. Let's change into this form. A plus, what is b? A square plus 2ab. So what is b? 3. A plus b whole square. Now we can simplify the constant term like terms. Negative 3 square, this is minus 9. Negative 9 plus 5 minus 4b minus b square. So I am writing this term same. A plus 3 whole square. What is negative 9 positive 5 or minus 9 plus 5 is minus 4 minus 4b minus b square. So if we consider this first two terms in a bracket is the first term, a plus b. If we consider this is first term or one term, how many terms are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm supposing a plus 3 is the first term, second term, third and fourth. Now we need to convert this expression into again a square minus b square form for its further factorization. So for this, let's think, how do we do this? How can we convert into a square minus b square form? For that, these three terms should be converted into again perfect square. Let's check how can we do it. Let's guess it. If we take negative sign common from here, and if we insert these three terms in a bracket, obviously we can change these three terms in a perfect square, and then we can convert into another form, a square minus b square. Let me write here a plus 3 whole square, a plus 3 whole square minus, I am taking negative sign common here, I am taking negative sign common. So what is the sign of 4? Negative. After taking negative sign common, sign will be changed, it should be positive. 4 plus 4b plus b square. Can we factorize this? This expression has 3 terms. If a expression has 3 terms, how do we factorize this? There are different ways. We can split middle term. Let's arrange the terms here. A plus 3 whole square minus b square plus 4b plus 4. Let's try to factorize this. A plus 3 whole square minus. For such factorizations, we need to expand to the 4 terms. There are 3 terms, b square plus 4b plus 4. We need to expand to the 4 terms, and then we can factorize by grouping. I mean, there are various ways to understand. Let's see here in the rough side. We can see here how do we factorize this. I'm taking a term b square plus 4b plus 4. I'm taking this term here. There are 3 terms. What is coefficient of b square? 1. What is the constant term? 4. First of all, we need to find product of constant term and coefficient of b square. So what is the product? Product is the product of constant term and coefficient of b square. So it's 4 times of 4. 4 times of 4 is 4. And the sign of last term determines sum or difference. This is positive, this is also positive. So what is the sum? Sum is always coefficient of b here. 4. So let's find 2 numbers whose sum is 4 and product is also 4. So what are the 2 numbers? Their sum is 4 and product is 4. For this we can simply factorize this number. So 2 times of 2 is 4. And we require 2 numbers whose sum is 4, and product is also 4. So what is 2 plus 2? 4. What is 2 times of 2? 4. So we can split middle term 4b to the 2 terms. 4b is 2b plus 2b. And then we can factorize. So I am factorizing this expression here. B square plus 4 is 2 plus 2 times of b plus 4. Or b square plus 2b plus 2b plus 4. Now we can take common by grouping. Means we can take common from first 2 terms and then from next 2 terms. What is common from these 2 terms? Obviously b is common. B is common. So what are the terms remaining? B plus 2 plus what is common from here? From 2b and 4. 2 is common. B plus 2. Now can we take this common factor again? B plus 2 common here. Yes. So b plus 2 times b plus 2. This is the process of factorization if the algebraic expression is in the form of like ax square plus bx plus c. So I am writing directly these 2 factors here. B plus 2 times b plus 2. So you can write this solution. We can write this solution. This is done here separately for factorization of b square plus 4b plus 4. So a plus 3 whole square. Now let me move into next step. Minus b plus 2, b plus 2. There are 2 same factors, so we can write it b plus 2 whole square. Now this is in a square minus b square form. What is a in fact? A plus 3. What is b? B plus 2. So what are the factors of a square minus b square? What are the factors of this? Its factors are a plus b times a minus b. What is a? A is the first term here, a plus 3, first term in the bracket, and what is b? B is b plus 2. Now let's convert into the factors, a plus b times a minus b, and then we will get the factors of the expression. A plus b, a plus 3 plus what is b? B plus 2. A plus b, b plus 2. Second factor is a minus b. What is a? A plus 3, a plus 3 minus what is b? Okay, b plus 2. So we need to open bracket with this negative sign. So what is minus times b? Negative b. So negative sign times positive. So minus plus is minus 2. So it gives a plus b plus 3 plus 2 is 5. A minus b plus 1. So these are the two factors of original expression, a square plus 6a plus 5 minus 4b minus b square. Okay, I hope you got my point. Especially in such factorization, we first of all try to convert first two terms into perfect square by adding a term, and then at the end again we factorize by changing into a square minus b square form. Similarly, we can practice other questions. Now let me take one more question here. Let me write another question. We are discussing factorization, and almost we have discussed different types of factorization. Let me write next question here. 9 times x plus y whole square plus x plus y minus 8. 9 times x plus y whole square plus x plus y minus 8. We can begin now. X plus y whole square times 9 plus x plus y minus 8. Okay, I am making this factorization easy by supposing this x plus y a. Why I am doing this? The reason is only, so I want to convert, I want to transform this expression into a simple expression, and then we will factorize this. If we suppose x plus y is a, then what will be the new expression in terms of a? Obviously 9 as it is. This is equal to 9, so I am writing same. What is x plus y? So I am supposing a, the index of x plus y or power is 2, 9a square, plus what is x plus y? A minus 8. Now this expression has 3 terms, 9a square plus a minus 8. Just before we discussed and learned how do we factorize such expressions if it has 3 terms and the expression is in the form of like quadratic, in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. If the expression in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not 0, it's similar. What is a? A is coefficient of the variable here 9. B is coefficient of a, or we can, here is expression is in terms of a, so we can write this a small a square plus b small a times plus c, or this is one of the standard form of quadratic expression. In such case, we split the middle term. We split middle term and factorize this. Let's try. What is a square coefficient? 9. What is constant term? minus 8. Now we need to find product of two numbers. We need to find product of two numbers. A is always product of constant term times coefficient of a square. What is 9 times of a? 8 is 72. What is sign of constant term? This is negative. So difference is coefficient of the middle term a. What is its coefficient? 1. For this you can factorize 72. We can factorize 72 into its factors and find two numbers whose product is 72 and difference is 1. So can we factorize? Yes, we can easily factorize this. Two numbers are here itself. 9 times of 8. What is 9 multiplied by 8? 72. What is 9 minus 8? 9 minus 8 is 1. So these are the two factors of 72. Let's factorize this. 9a square plus two numbers are 9 and 8. So 9 minus 8 times a minus 8. This is equal to 9a square as it is plus, let's open bracket, plus what is 9 times a? 9a. What is 8 times a? Minus 8a, minus 8. What is common? What is common from first two terms? 9a, so a plus 1 minus 8 is common, a plus 1. We can again take the common here, a plus 1 is common. So what are the remaining terms? 9a minus 8. But these are not the final factors of 9 times x plus y whole square plus plus x plus y minus 8. Here, what is our assumption? We supposed x plus y is a to simply change into simple form for the factorization. Now after splitting this into two factors, now we simply replace a by x plus y. We can write replacing a by x plus y, because this is our assumption we made. A is x plus y. Then we get what is a? A is x plus y. So x plus y plus 1 times 9 as it is. 9 as it is. What is a? X plus y minus 8. So what are the factors? X plus y plus 1. We can open bracket 9x plus 9y minus 8. So these are the two factors of original expression. Now we discussed two factorizations, one containing 5 terms and other in terms of quadratic, having 3 terms in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Now let me talk about some other factorization now. Next, expression of the form a cube plus b cube or a cube minus b cube. This is other type of factorization that we need to learn in grade 9. Expression of the form a cube plus b cube or a cube minus b cube. before starting some questions for factorization, let's learn what are the factors of these two expressions. What are the factors of a cube plus b cube? It's factor a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. So these two are the factors of a cube plus b cube form. Similarly, what are the factors of a cube minus b cube? A minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. If we multiply these two factors, we will obviously obtain a cube plus b cube. So these two are the factors. We can find how these two factors, a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square, how do we no, these two are the factors of a cube plus b cube. We can derive this, but here directly we are applying the formula. A cube plus b cube, two factors are a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. Similarly, what are the factors of a cube minus b cube? Its factors are a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So let me take a small example, short example here. Factorize x to the power 6 minus y to the power 6. Simple example. Okay, so index of x and y both are 6 and this is an even number. So there are two ways for the factorization. We can either convert into a square minus b square or a cube minus b cube form. Let me use one of the way, x to the power 3x cube times x cube whole square minus y cube whole square. If we multiply the two numbers in the power or index, 3 times up to a 6, 3 times up to a 6. So this is correct. This is in a square minus b square form. Factors are a plus b times a minus b. So what is a? The term in first bracket x cube. So a plus b x cube plus y cube, a plus b. Second is a minus b. What is a? X cube. What is b? Y cube. So these are two factors of x cube whole square minus y cube whole square. Now we can further write the factors of x cube plus y cube. This is in a cube plus b cube form. So here are the factors. First factor is x plus y times x square minus xy plus y square. What are the factors of this? X minus y times x square plus xy plus y square. So this is the way how we factorize x to the power 6 minus y to the power 6. Now we can arrange this x plus y, then x minus y, and we can write these two factors. Here simply we try to convert into a square minus b square form and then we factorize. Thank you all for watching Janata television live class. So I need to end the class here. Thank you everyone and have a wonderful day ahead. We will continue factorization in next class on Sunday. Thank you all.